Bel at Mariano. Bel Mariano. Kuha. Bel Mariano. Mariano. 2 times. Sino gusto kong pa-picture kay Bel? Bel, nga. Ano nga picture kay Bel? Ito po, oh. Pag-groupie na po siya. Pag-groupie na siya. Audio. Pwede lang po pa-play ng music nila. Play na po ng music. Concert.
Together with our Mala Champions, John Mandela.
Anong Mala Champions?
Mala
Champions? Wait lang. Antok na tayo pero huwag naman ganyan.
Ay, kung ano na ako nagsispill.
Disney princesses movies. I watched Princess and the Frog yesterday, Tangled, and then I watched Moana with my dog. So nakakatuwa kasi the thing with Disney movies, it always makes me cry whenever I watch like Disney movies. As in tears of joy na, I wanna be a princess. May ganun siya.
So what message of Moana 2 did you like the most?
I haven't seen it.
Okay,
yeah.
Sabay tayo kasi nga, diba? Oo.
I wanna watch it. Tinatanong ko lahat dito, kanina. Ano po nangyari? Sino po yung villain? I'm so curious and I wanna watch it. Pero yeah, antayin ko na natin yung anong darat na.
Pero yung message ng Moana in general, from the first film, what about the characteristic do you resonate with the most?
She's really strong. What I love about Moana, she's really strong. She's really passionate and she'll fight for her island or the Yaya.
Wow. Miss Bel Mariano, thank you. Hello everyone, nice to meet you all here. I'm Bel Mariano. Are you guys enjoying tonight? Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. Okay, just a...
Love, time,
Respect. Manners.
And long-term happiness yan. Oo.
Tama yung sinabi mo, you can only probably buy things that will make you happy for the
meantime, but it's not something that would last.
Yeah, for manners, like for example, just even your personality, you can't just pay your way into being a certain level. Respect, yeah, you can't buy respect. It's also earned. Time, syempre, yun yung pinaka-valuable na bagay na kailangan natin lahat na hindi take for granted. You can never go back in time. No matter how much money you have.
Lastly, love, because you can't buy any love. Wow!
Ayan guys, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga kapatid na sumuporta ng Can't Buy Me Love. Maraming salamat, mahal na mahal namin kayo. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa 148 episodes na naidulot namin sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa walang sawa niyo pagmamahal at pagsuporta sa amin. Simula sa una at hanggang ngayon, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat. Mahal namin kayo.
Sa akin simple lang, mahal na mahal kita,
Mahal din kita.
Love is priceless.
Ang yaman talaga ng mukha ko. Nakuha mo na tayo magulong ng tanay ko.
But family is also priceless.
We are not going to acknowledge the new owner because our plans of getting GLC back.
The moment na i-announce ko na ikaw ang bagong owner ng GLC, your decision will be the most important in the room.
Instant ang records, pumayag silang tulungan tayo, pero gagawin lang nila yun if she agrees to marry Steven.
My heart is not for sale.
Sinisingil na ang lahat ng may utang.
Pinayagan siya mag-post ng mail? Do something about it. Lalaban tayo.
Nung mga sala, huli na natin sa salang kidnapping.
Sabihin mo lang sa akin ang pwede kong gawin.
Nakakagaya ka ng pamilya mo.
Tina,
What?
ano ba si Sim?
Iniipit talaga nila ako eh. Pati scope nila ako eh.
Usapin mo si Ling, kahit na hindi mo alam kung paano, malalaman mo rin.
One day, when everything's okay, magiging tayo.
Puso ang siyang magiging kamayaran.
I want GLC back.
Hindi ko pa magagawa yun ng basta-basta lang.
We have to do something, Wilson, because this is going to hurt us. I just want Andre to be happy.
Ma'am,
future of the family is now in your hands.
How much are you willing to pay for the price of forever?
Mahal mo din ang pamilya niya para sa katahimikan ng lahat.
The end is finally here.
Hindi tayo susunod, hindi tayo bibitaw. Laban ng buhay.